all the way past over on one side.
Things are happening here. How's your pile going?
My pile looks smaller than yours.
Yeah, I'll say. Is this everything?
Yeah.
Is that your pile?
Yeah. Sort of. It's kind of fun. No, mine's not complete yet.
Yeah, that's what I thought. This is Ryan. Vinci. Troy Wells, who's on the way. This is the eve before launch. We're laying our stuff out, seeing what everybody has, seeing if there's some redundancies, and then we're gonna pack. So Ryan and Troy are sharing a tent. Vinci and I are sharing a tent.
Don't forget Katarina's coming too.
Oh, yeah, Katka will be there. So, some stats. Stats on the Colorado Trail. 530 miles. We're actually not on the trail the whole time because there's some wilderness areas that we have to go around. It averages 10,000 feet in elevation and climbs 72,000 feet over that 530 miles. We're gonna bring this book, by the way. Put this in his pile because
It's so nice to be like, yeah.
So let me walk you through my pack list here. Camelback Mule Pro, and we put the inline Sawyer filter in. We got a Jetboil and fuel. This food pile is obviously just a little snippet of what you're gonna see here. Combination of Mountain House and Backpacker's Pantry with some steeped coffee bags from Hatchet. Shimano RX-8 shoes. These are the most comfortable, somewhat lightweight shoe. It'd be good for hiking, which there is a fair bit of hiking out there. Bag, Kona Team Adventure bag, Big Agnes sleeping pad. Look at these. Jewel bow, mountaineering glasses. Check this out. I'm really looking forward to wearing these. Wool socks from Bike Flights. We got some Defeat wool socks, gloves, and then a slurry of 7 mesh clothing that's gonna keep me warm, dry, comfortable. Extra cable, some lube. This thing from Wolf Tooth, it's a quick link tool. That stores some extra quick links. Even has my nickname on it. Thanks, Jack Hinkins. Extra hanger, tubes, tool, brake pads. We got Cliff utensils, bowl. I mean, this is gonna cover it. Russell's carrying the tent. I think that's about it. I don't know. Toothbrush, toothpaste. I do have a lot more food that's not shown here, but I'm a little concerned about packing all that. So the next step is once we get all this stuff organized, once Troy gets here and lays his pile out, then we got to put all this stuff in a handlebar bag, a frame bag, and a seat bag, and then the Camelback Mule. So we still got quite a bit of stuff to do today. We got to go to the outdoor store to get some rubbing alcohol. That's how we're gonna shower. Hit our gray areas with some alcohol so our chamois don't grow mushrooms. We did send a care package halfway, so that'll be on day 3 or 4. We'll get a fresh chamois, which I'm sure will feel amazing. And we have some more food packed in there, some dehydrated food. I feel like we thought of it all, but I don't want to say that because then we'll forget some stuff.
Yeah, I'm bringing Italian pepper steak.
Get out here. Jeremy, you helping me, mister? What a good boy. Yeah, what a good boy.
Carrie's gonna be all jealous of my Italian pepper steak.
Man, your Italian pepper steak can go to hell. I got Kathmandu curry.
I did look at all your flavors and I had some envy, I'm not gonna lie.
That's right. I added my food to the list, or to the pack here. This is 4 nights, 3 breakfasts worth, 4 nights. Because tomorrow we'll get to eat pancakes here at Vinci's house. And so this is the full pull. This is everything. This is a cool new pro tip for you guys that need drink mix. Pedialyte drink mix packets. If it's good enough for babies, it's good enough for me. Mexican style hot chocolate's a must up there, 12,000 feet when we're freezing our sacks off. I don't know what else to say. I think we're just gotta pack from here. We're still waiting on Troy. I don't know what the hell he's doing. He might have gotten cold feet. Okay. All that stuff into these 3 bags. It doesn't really seem like it's gonna work. What do you think, mister? Wish me luck. All right, it happened. I got all that stuff in my bags. And Troy made it.
What up?
The gang's all here. So let's check on the other guys, see how progress is going here. Russell, I see you still got a pile here.
I'm not looking as good as you are right now.
Damn right you're not. You started off strong, but...
Feeding near me.
Troy?
Pile.
You got a pile. Everybody made fun of me and now I'm all done. Now what? I'm gonna slap these bags on bikes and then we're gonna go for a little cruise because that would probably be wise. Do some curb drops. Problem is gonna be getting it through that doorway, so bear with me.
I think I gotta take the bar bag off.
Just barely.
Oh, now the freaking backpack's stuck.
It is not going back down there. Here it is. Fully packed and loaded. This is actual trail setup right here. Big burrito bag, camera bag. I gotta set up the suspension to carry all this extra weight, but I think it did pretty good. I did not expect all that stuff that I showed you earlier to fit in these bags. Now we just gotta ride them. Spin to win.
We have designed this bike to be the lightest cross-country race machine ever built. Weighing in at 55 pounds, 3 ounces.
Black
Russell.
The black stallion.
Epic.
Can you actually lift it by yourself?
No.
No.
Don't hurt yourself.
No.
Guys, I got an Ernie. I can't start.
Pump it up. You stay, mister. You stay.
The maiden voyage on the loaded sled. What do you think?
It feels heavy.
Yeah, it does.
You're gonna be like, hey, Karen, do you like the Colorado trail? And you're like, I didn't see anything.
No, I'm gonna be like, man, my eyes feel great. I don't have snow blindness.
No blindness.
These guys are gonna get snow blindness.
Oh, that's snow.
I'm not planning to be out there till winter. I'm gonna finish before that.
That's what you think.
Should we go cruise the bike path?
Russell didn't bring a freaking derailleur hanger. So we'll see who's out there this winter. You see the big one. That's true. All right, that's a wrap. We're going back to the house and gonna do this thing tomorrow. Whoa! Easy.